everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kiana and I do a lot of, fashion and sewing videos. Oh my god, I've never messed up that intro in like 2 years. Okay, and today we are mood boarding our fashion for both our style and our design because this girly right here has been up for 2.5 years. Wait. Yeah. Wait, are you joking? 2.5 years? Oh my god, I don't even like this. Well, actually, I do like the design style. Let's, no shade to the design style. I love it, actually. But it's not me. You guys, and why did you let me keep that up there for 2.5 years? Bad friends. Bad friends. I'm just kidding. But yeah, this is in major need of an update because I look at that every day of my life and I feel like it influences me and it's just not inspiring me. And this is the year that I feel like I really want to kind of not stay in a design style and aesthetic, but really work towards like finding who I am as a designer and as like a stylist for myself. But the thing is, like, I already pretty much know who I am. I just kind of like stray off the path, Does that happen to anyone else? Like, I appreciate all the aesthetics, and so I don't want to just box myself into one. I want to dress as a different aesthetic every day. But this year, I want to really try to, okay, I was about to say confine myself. That doesn't sound very positive. I want to really like be me. Like, I want when you see a style to be like, oh, that's so Kiana, Okay, I'm gonna shut up. Actually, I'm not gonna shut up. I'm gonna keep talking, but let me put some stuff on the screen because I've already started working on this. So I want to basically replace everything on this board. I want to replace the mood board. I want to replace the fabric swatches. I want to replace the sketches, all that jazz, and we're gonna fill it up more. It's feeling plain right now. We want it to feel creative, overflowing with creativity. So I went on Pinterest and I just started saving fashion things that I felt very strongly towards. And this was really hard because personally, like I said, I like basically everything. So when I was looking at pieces of clothing and accessories and styles, I was like, how do I genuinely feel? Am I like bursting at the seams excited about this? Or do I just like it? Because like I said, I like everything. So I was just saving anything I really, really loved, not like trying to sway the board in any which way. I was just saving things I really loved. And as I was saving things, I was like, this board's gonna be freaking all over the place because I'm saving like black lacy things and I'm also saving pink and red heart and cherry things and it's all over the place. But then when I checked out my board, all works together. Like, I love this aesthetic. I wouldn't even know what you would call it. We're calling it the Kiana aesthetic, okay? It's kind of like Enid meets Wednesday. You know what I'm saying? Right now I'm Wednesday in my real outfit, but I love that Enid meets Wednesday. I love the edgy, the grunge. I love the pleather. I love the black and white, but I also love pink and red. Love pink and red. I love hearts. I love cherries. I love bows. I like lace. And together, I feel like it makes something really interesting. So this is what we're gonna do. I am going to take this board because I can't print out like literally every single picture on this board. Otherwise, my cork board would be overflowing. I'm just going to copy and paste the ones that out of this board I really, really, truly love. Like I said, I loved all of those, but the ones that are like at the tippy top. And a lot of the items on this board, like honestly, has some like repeat styles. So I just kind of want to get one of each. And I'm gonna put it in this little Google Doc, and then I'm going to print it on my home printer on photo paper. I mean, it doesn't have to be photo paper, but I want it to be on photo paper. Then I'm just gonna cut it out and place it on my board in an aesthetic way. All right, I'm gonna go do that now. Okay, so I'm just gonna use my paper cutter to cut out all the photos. I really hate when like I use scissors to cut things out for straight lines. That gives me the ick. I need real straight lines. And everyone say goodbye to my old board. Boo, bye. I'm gonna be using pins, extra pins I have to pin everything up because I do not have thumbtacks, but this will work fine. And I'm actually not being random with how I'm putting up the pictures. I'm kind of grouping all the pieces of clothing and accessories together in a way that makes sense. Okay guys, here is my swatch book. I made this freshman year of college. Basically, I bought a bunch of swatches of different types of fabric and I taped them down, wrote down the properties and such. It took a really long time, but I would definitely recommend like getting a swatch book, or at least like buying a swatch book if you don't want to put one together, because it's amazing when I'm looking for different types of fabrics I want to use, and then I can just pull this out and feel things. It's important to be able to feel things. And then at the front here is where it's unorganized. I just have a bunch of swatches I've gotten like over the years, and I just shove them in the front because I'm organized but disorganized. So, okay, right now I'm just gonna go through some of the fabrics, feel them, feel what like I want to put on that board, what kind of goes with that board that I've already put together. So looking at it right now, I see a lot of like velvet. Oh my god, I don't have any pleather. Oh, I have one pleather. Wow, pleather is my favorite fabric to work with. Okay, maybe we need to go and add, because what the heck. Anyways, but like pleather, satin, lace, tulle, denim, all that fun stuff. So I'm gonna go through and see what kind of matches the board. And oh, here's pleather, good. And just put it right up there. Whew. Okay, I put on the comfy clothes now. Hope you don't mind. Just kidding, if you minded, we'd have a problem. Time to sketch. We have this beautiful board back here. I'm already feeling good about it. Like, I'm already feeling more inspired. I'm feeling like it's more me. I love all of the pink and hearts and cherries, and then all the black and white. All the fabrics, I'm very tactile, so I'm glad we have like some good inspo on here. How do we, you know, complete the circle though? We need to sketch. And I want to sketch some things, not necessarily like to create. Maybe if it's like fabulous, I will create it. But I just want to get like that creative juice flowing. You know, I am in a creative rut, as they say, a little bit of artist block. Actually, you know what? I don't think I have, I'm a liar already. I don't have artist block. I have artists start a project and then stop it 2 days later because I got bored of it and I wasn't like passionate enough about it to continue. Either that or I just like can't focus. We got my handy dandy iPad right here. Everyone always asks me what I use to sketch. I use the fabulous Procreate. I use this for my thumbnails for all my videos, my like pattern thumbnails, all of my sketches. Woo! Oh my gosh, she's fabulous. I've had this iPad for almost 6 years now. It might be time to get a new one because the screen is actually cracked, but it's like $500 to replace the screen. I'm like, babes, I'm not gonna do that. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. So she's trucking along. She's fabulous. It is the iPad Pro because like you need the pencil. Actually, but I think the regular iPads now use the pencil, so what else? I just love my iPad. This is the only thing I use it for, is this app, literally, but I use it like every day. Anyways, let me shut up and let's just get to sketching. Ooh, sketching break. Ooh. All right, we are sketched, and she's honestly looking pretty cohesive. She could be a collection. So let me put on the screen here the process of me sketching every single one, and then we'll go through it. The first two we're gonna go through super fast because y'all already seen me make this dress. I'll put like links in my bio to this, and also the second one. We'll have links in my bio to both of these. I did like short form content on them because I'm trying to get back into long form content. It's a long story. No, it's not. It's not a long story. It's just my long form content wasn't doing good this year, so I kind of switched more to prioritizing short form, and the short form has been slaying, but now I feel bad that I'm not doing long form, so I'm getting back into it. So here we are getting back into long form. Anyways, okay, so we took inspo from the board, okay? Do y'all remember the board? Remember it? Think about it. The first one is something I already made, like my second to last project. Just like this easy peasy strapless dress with some bows. So goes with the board. Love it. I used one of my patterns for this, so I'll link that down below as well if you're interested. This is something I'm super excited about. I'm currently making it right now. I'm looking at it currently. It's almost done. I just have to do like the mesh underneath to make it poofy. So that's kind of why it's taking a long time. But I am gonna be doing a pattern for this, and she's gonna pop off because everyone really likes this dress. I'm trying to get her done, but she's taking forever, okay? We can't rush magic, you guys. So it's this puffy pleather dress. Pleather's my favorite fabric to work with. Y'all know. I have this heart cutout and the rhinestones around the edges. Perfection. This is me in a dress, 100%. Okay, the next one, oh my god, have never made a tulle dress. Isn't that crazy? Obviously this is not fully tulle, but the skirt, I want to be multiple layers of tulle. It's like this long part of the skirt first and then a small little tier of tulle. And I really want to use a gathering foot on my sewing machine. I probably will not make a pattern for this one. This seems more like just like a fun project to me. It's so hard being a pattern maker and like a fashion design content creator because like I feel the pressure to make a pattern for every single thing I make. But then if I made a pattern for every single thing I made, we'd have like one garment a month because girl, it takes 4 freaking ever to make a pattern. 4 freaking ever. All the sizes, all the prototypes, everything, all the files. No, girl, we would never have content. So it's like, I gotta pick and choose what I want to create patterns from. So let me know, out of all of these garments, excluding the first one, because there's already a pattern for it, let me know as you're going through these, which ones, pick your top 2, okay? Because we can't do patterns for everything. Pick your top 2, maybe 3 if you're real excited that you would like a pattern out of. Also, I don't even know if I'm gonna make all these things. Like, I was just drawing what sparked joy, okay? Marie Kondo. Okay, but yeah, this is like a corset top dress, and I love those corset tops where the straps are like tied in the front with a bow. Like, girl, why haven't I done that? I love bows. I love corsets. Stupid. Anyways, so we love that dress. Next dress, so Wednesday Addams, but she's sexy. Wednesday Addams is now at least 18, okay? Well, she could be younger, you know what, whatever. But I would wear this now as a 23-year-old. She's sexy. We have the collar, the little Peter Pan collar, I feel like is super cute. Some lace around all the edges. I love this little like swoop type slit, which I actually did for the next dress too. But this little swoop type slit just looks super cute, and then it's a good like trim friendly slit to have on a dress. And I love the little sleeves, or little like flounced sleeves. Next, this is probably, other than this hard dress I'm making right now, this is probably my fave. I love this little mesh overlay dress that just ties in the front right here by the bust. It was gonna just be a black mesh or like maybe a lace or something, but in my head, oh no! In my head, I was remembering a fabric from Joann's that's like mesh with black hearts on it, but now I'm realizing I'm pretty sure it's white mesh with black hearts, and that's not cute. Well, it is cute still, but that's not the vibe we're going for. Anyways, I like the little flouncy sleeves, very cute. And then the dress underneath is just like this red dress with like pink trimming on everything, and it has that same type of like swoopy slit as the Wednesday Addams dress. Next, oh, love her. Oh, love her. So cute. So cute. Okay, last dress, just like this little color blocked red and pink. You can't really see it because like I did not spend a lot of time in these sketches. You can't really see it, but it's like gathered under the bust, just so we don't want like too much shaping, like darts and like seams and stuff, because I'm imagining this made out of like more of like a lightweight like rayon or some type of lightweight fabric like that you can gather easy or on the bust. And then that same pink trimming, like binding, and then some heart buttons. Also, I have this heart bag. Isn't that so cute? Okay, I was not trying to be cohesive as like a collection, but it just kind of like turned into one because of how we mood boarded and picked out fabrics and such. I was just kind of in that state of mind. No, we're not gonna call this a collection. Maybe we will. Maybe we will for the title of the video, because I think that would get more views. But I'm not gonna call this like a legit collection, because if I were to make a legit collection, I would have more variety and types of clothing. These are literally all mini dresses, girl. Why did I sketch all mini dresses? I'll tell you why. Because they make me the happiest. They make me personally the happiest, and I need to be making things that make me happy. Second of all, I would have done more like design details that went together, that brought it all together. So like, for example, this like swoopy type slit, that's a good design detail. We don't have a lot of similar design details in this. Oh, like the binding. So like the light pink binding on the red, that's a design detail that makes it cohesive. But other than that, other than like the colors and stuff, it's not super cohesive. It kind of is, but you know, it could be more cohesive. We could have done better, but like I wasn't trying to make a collection, but she just kind of turned out to be one. So let's put her on the board. God, she makes me so happy to look at. Wait, let's compare. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, let's compare what we had on the board before and after. Guys, this is so not me. I don't know why I was trying to be someone I'm not. This is so me, 100,000 billion%. You know what? I blame it on, honestly, college, because they're always like, oh, you need to use a lot of color. You need to like step outside of your comfort zone. You need to this. You need to not make a mood board with clothes in it. Blah, 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 blah. Shut up. That was aggressive. I loved my college experience. Anyways, kind of like got in my head a little bit. And we're going back to this. Oh my God, this is exactly like Heartbreaker. Who remembers? Okay, comment down below if you have been here since my senior collection Heartbreaker. That literally, that was literally these colors and like heart. Girl. Okay, I know who I am. I need to stick to who I am. So let's put her on the board. Let's do it. Come on. I want to show you guys. Wait, I don't have any pins. Girl, hold on. Dun, 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 dun. Open up. We're putting her on the board. All right. She's kind of empty, honestly. There's some empty space up here, so let me fill that real quick with something. And then we'll do a final reveal of our 2023 fashion mood board. Okay. All right, everyone, as you can see, I am finally done with my little mood board, inspo board, thingamabob. I don't know what you would call this, but hopefully you enjoyed this video. I totally recommend you guys doing this because I feel super inspired now. I was not feeling inspired 2 days ago. Now I'm feeling inspired. I'm feeling pretty good about the new year. So yeah, let me know what you think of my board. Let me know the vibes you're going for this year in 2023 with your design style. But yeah, I think that is everything. So if you enjoyed this video, feel free to give me a thumbs up because it's the easiest way to support your favorite creators for free. Also, feel free to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My handle is Kiana Bonollo. Subscribe, please. And turn on notification bells because that would help me a lot. Thank you. And I think that's everything. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.